हाय गाइस, आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कंप्यूटर के टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज जो पिछले एग्जाम में आए हुए हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स कैन प्रोड्यूस अ हार्ड कॉपी? ऑप्शंस ए मॉनिटर्स, बी स्कैनर, सी प्रिंटर्स, डी नन ऑफ दीज। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, प्रिंटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a light sensitive device that converts drawings, printed text or image into digital forms is. Right answer is options B, scanner. Next question, which of the following is an examples of an image file? Right answer is option C, .jpg. Next question, MP3 and WAV files are examples of dash. Options A, video file, B, audio file, C, text file, D, none of these. Right answer is options B, audio file. Next question, what is jumping from one website to another's called? Right answer is options D, suffering. Next question, which device connects your computer to the internet? Options A, modems, B, hard drive, C, dongles, D, none of these. Right answer is options A, modem. Next question, adding you comments to a blogs or forms is called. Right answer is option C, posting. Next question, buying and selling goods over webs is known as. Options A, hypermarkets, B, e-commerce, C, tradings, D, none of these. Right answer is options B, e-commerce. Next question, which of the following is required to host website? Right answer is options D. Next question, 1 MB is equal to dash. Right answer is options A, 1024 KB. Next question, in MS Word, arrow key can be used to dash. Right answer is options B, move the cursors in the text that has already been entered. Next question, which of the following device do you use to save file? Options A, speakers, B, printers, C, compact disc, D, none of these. Right answer is option C, compact disc. Next question, which one of the following programs compressed large file into a smaller file? Right answer is options B, WinZip. Next question, which protocol is used for browsing data? Right answer is options D. Next question, what is the full form of HTTP? Right answer is options A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question, in HTTPS the letters S stands for. Right answer is option C, secure. Next question, in computer display wrong data and times you can reset it by using dash. Right answer is options B, control panel. Next question, the heart of any computer systems is dash. Options A, hard disk, B, monitor, C, memory, D, CPU. Right answer is options D, CPU. Next question, the abbreviations of CPU is. Right answer is options A, central processing unit. Next question, CPU itself has following dash components. Options A, control units, B, arithmetic logic unit, C, memory storage units, D, all of these. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question, which units can store instructions, data and intermediates result? Options A, control units, B, storage units, C, logic unit, D. None of these. Right answer is options B. Storage unit. Next question. CPU control the operations of all parts of the computer. Right answer is option C. True. Next question. Which modes lends minimal sets of drives when starting Windows? Right answer is options A. Safe mode. Next question. Which of the following operating systems is available in free domains? Right answer is option C. Red Hat's Linux. Next question. The terms operating systems means dash. Right answer is options B. A set of programs which controls computers working. Next question. Linux Windows are examples of dash. Right answer is options D. Operating system. Next question. Who developed the concepts of email? Right answer is options A. Next question. Which types of data can you send by email? Options A. Audio and video. B. Pictures. C. Both A and B part. D. None of these. Right answer is option C. Both A and B part. Next question. What does BCC means in email? Right answer is options B. Blind carbon copy. Next question. A network's topology in which all data pass through a central computer is. Right answer is options D. Stars topology. Next question. The bare machines of a computer systems is called. Right answer is options A. Hardware. Next question. The dash is responsible for mapping IP address to Unix URL. Right answer is option C. Domains name system. Next question. IP stands for dash. Right answer is options B. Internet Protocol. Next question. What is the full form of USB? Right answer is options A. Universal Serial Bus. Next question. GUI stands for dash in human computer interactions. Right answer is option C. Graphical user interface. Next question. In a mobile phone, SIM stands for dash. Right answer is options B. Subscriber's identity module. Next question. In the following list of device, which device is used in networks layer dash? Right answer is options D. Router. Next question. ALU and CU both have special storage locations is called dash. Right answer is options A. Register. Next question. HTML commonly referred to creates documents for dash. Right answer is option C. www. Next question. A bugs in a programs is and dash. Right answer is options D. Error. Thank you.